How did chocolate got associated with Valentine's Day? In the olden times, it used to be just about sending love letters, as it was associated with Saint Valentine's love letter which he wrote in prison on the eve of February 14th, year 270 AD before he was executed. Chocolate only started to become a staple in Valentine's Day due to the ingenious scheme of Richard Cadbury of the 19th century, where he made chocolate palatable and commercialized for Valentine's Day to the masses, along with making beautiful boxes for his chocolates with Cupid and roses in the design. And since the box is beautiful, it was used to store mementos. It is also believed that chocolate became popular on Valentine's Day due to chocolate being considered as an aphrodisiac food since the time of the Aztecs. Chocolate is said to contain a substance that inflames desire and makes the beloved one more open to romance. In olden days, this resulted in a tradition of European royalty giving their lovers chocolates mixed with amber to stimulate their love. According to science, there may be some truth in old legends. As per the recent studies, women who eat chocolate are said to show more desire for romance as compared to women who don't eat chocolates. This might be because chocolate releases brain-soothing chemicals which increases energy and desired levels. Chocolate is proven to produce a natural high, which elevates mood and often equates to feeling in love.